direction. You follow? So you got to be prepared for everything. Market maker, they do dirty games, correct? But overall, in a couple of weeks, I would see that market wants to go lower. Okay, so not couple of weeks. This week, market wants to go lower. That's what it looks like this week, not couple of weeks. This week, market wants to go lower. You heard, folks? Welcome to Top Trading Edge, folks. Today is 17th August, Thursday, and this is the video I made on last Sunday. All right, and what did I say when market was green day last Friday? And I made this video. I said in a couple of, not couple of weeks, this week, coming week, market could go lower, and this is the target I set up right here. You can go and take a look at the video I made on Sunday, folks. So now let's take a look at today, see what the market look like. So today is the market update video, folks. Let's get a look at it. So look at that, what I said earlier when market was green about the 50-day, when we were 446, right now we are at 435. All the way from here to here we went down. All right, so that was the first target we just touched down, folks, and market entering into the cloud conditions right here. What do you see here? The most important part is, folks, you can review this video, is very important to understand. Now I'm making new video for this week. See what market look like coming week also. So as you can see, market has broken the major sloping support, folks. For me, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This time we broke, and we are about to test the linear line, and we could break the cloud, and the beads are going away. And as you can see, MACD already entered into bear territory right here, right, and squeeze already in the fire. So we have a tons of sales order coming in at this particular point. Now tomorrow is a Friday option expiry, folks. Whenever Friday option expiry, folks, that means that market could create a drama. So tomorrow will be OPEX, third week of the option expiry on a month, which is 18th August. So probably tomorrow would be the OPEX. In that case, market could trying to ring the register. A lot of bear must have bought the put, and if they could change any direction for Friday, never know, correct? So that one thing you got to keep it in mind. But based off of today market sell off, the way the market sell off constant, when we announced this, we had a bestest day today, right, folks? So when this happened, it was amazing day, folks, right? So this kind of activity happened every time market bounce, little bounce. We didn't even try the cloud also, folks. Look at this dump, right? This kind of dump market did, that is amazing. That's what it looked like. There is no bounce, means market was desperate to sell this. That's telling me that there is a desperately sales order coming, lining up more and more, right? And that's what we already earlier discussed, folks, and it could happen. Possibility could happen also. So if you want to see today how much we made, folks, there was a couple of trade. I can show you what I did today. It was amazing, folks. Look at this trade. I was playing big quantity here. Look at that. Every time 10 5 5 7 $7,000 profit. 100 contract, 5 10 20 out of 570. Somebody made a 263% party, 85% party. This is somebody else, not mine. Nice, good job. This is mine. $3 exit at $4. People are made a profit. 560, 690 exit, 100 contract right here. Timestamp is right there, 2 o'clock. So this market and market sell off, folks, we had a crazy profit, right, folks. These are $10,000 profit on each trade. That was amazing day today. So if you want to, this is the community, folks. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, please, you can join definitely, folks. What I need to right now show you about the market condition, which is intraday. That's what it looks to me. And also I notice about right here the heat wave. The heat map looks like there's a crazy sell-off going on, as you can see here. But also I noticed Google, Cisco, J&J, energy stocks, they were green area right here. Certain sector was green, if you notice that, right? So Probably tomorrow Friday, folks, so it could be any changes, but we always take a look at it in the morning and see what the market maker agenda would be, and try to find out. Other than that, the next week, what I would say is that, folks, there is a dirty game still continuation right here. There is a still sell off continuation. This is what it looks to me, because we already entered into the cloud here. If we have a bounce tomorrow, folks, then it would be a different story. And I'm expecting if they could bounce. I'm not expecting. The sales are crazy. Right now orders are, so you never know. Friday could set off and we could sell and test the linear line, which is 431 right here. That's the one I'm talking about. But if you look at the option perspective, option expiry tomorrow, then they could also bounce. That's the one thing I'm thinking of it. Other than that, folks, MACD just enter into bear territory. Now the bears are in control, and we could probably go, and this could go probably and test the linear line, and we could break the cloud also as the week progress. That's how it looks to me here, because we have a little situation, economical situation, global situation, not economic, global situation, where the bond market is right now vulnerable. So if you take a look at the Bitcoin also dump, which I made that chart on that. You can see right here, just now it happened, Bitcoin dumped to $24,700, right? But if you take a look at the bond mob, folks, that's what is right now hot topic. So look at the bond yield is rising. Yield is rising. Whenever the yield rise is not good for the market, folks. Right here, you see this yield is rising. Whenever the yield rise, that is concerned global global bond market. Whenever the global bond market is in trouble, folks, that's not good. That's a lot of asset manager would be not it's not a favorable conditions, right? Basically, bond market is the major market. Equity market, derivative market is a smaller market. And as you can see in China, the whatever the Belgrande, real estate company, they are now getting bankrupt, filed the bankruptcy, right? That's the second biggest developer over there, and that can impact, because a lot of people get affected, a lot of banks affected, a lot of people are getting affected with that. Same thing in US also. We had a bank situation where now the Moody coming in and downgrading all the banks. I'm sure US banks have a lot of exposure worldwide probably. Look at the Citibank, look at those, they are vulnerable. So that's why there is something is brewing in the back. Whenever market sells off, folks, so there is definitely cooking behind the door. It's definitely something is happening, unless Jerome Powell comes out tomorrow or later on or something and say, hey, Jackson Hole meeting coming in, and he said probably we're gonna pause or we're gonna reduce the rate. That can change the market condition. At Deep's point, conditions are not looking great the way these things are unfolding in front of us, and we need to see how things are rolling, right? So that's the only reason I can think market conditions look like really deteriorating right here, folks. Okay, so just keep those things in mind. Sloping support broken, testing here, MACD entering into bear territory, and we have a bear condition. So now let's take a look at now little short-term period. So let's take a look at 4 hours. What the market look like 4 hours. So the way they look like 4 hours is MACD is still bearish and look like we still want it to go lower Friday. That's what it look like. Technically looks like want to go lower 4 hours chart. Okay, let me take a look at 30-minute chart. 30 minutes smart monies are moving down. Oh, absolutely falling knife, folks. They want to go fast. Look like, okay, they want to go down and test the 431. That's how the looks like. Okay, technical look like. But do I trade? What I think, no, I'm gonna go and look at the market condition tomorrow and see what they're gonna take the position, north or south, because option expiry. That is the reason I'm gonna wait tomorrow and decide. But technically looks like to me they want to dump it. All right, so that's about it, folks. Those who wants to join the community, folks, join. Every day we are live on also right here Twitter, folks. Join Twitter's right here, Top Trading Edge. And on YouTube, folks, if you want to, right here we are always right here every day, folks. I go live 7 hours a day. 7 hours a day right here, 7 hours live, and you can join 7 hours. I take my trades, I share my screens free of charge, folks. Okay, so join the community. And how to join the community? Okay, that is a good question, folks. So let me bring it to you. how to join the community. Right here you can scan this barcode. Right here you can scan this and you can join this Top Trading Edge WhatsApp group. There is a description, has a link in the YouTube video. Description has a link, WhatsApp group link also. You can click on that. If this barcode scan doesn't work, you can open your camera and you can scan this and you can join the WhatsApp group, folks. It's a free of charge. And like I said yesterday, I mentioned about the Tesla, folks. Right here, Tesla, that there was unusual option activity notice. Right here, 1 billion put option purchase yesterday. That's why Tesla dumped today. Right here. So let's take a look at Tesla real quick, folks. Little bit. I'm not gonna spend too much time on a Tesla, but Tesla is doing exactly whatever I said, folks. Look at the Tesla. Tesla, Apple. Whatever I said on Apple, right here. Look at that Apple. I said Apple gonna go and test lower, so Apple is also doing the same thing, whatever I said, because market conditions are right now changing, folks. So that is the only reason. Okay, Tesla right here. So you can see right here, Tesla was up here. I said testing the demand can flip. We could go to 214 right here, target was, and that's what we reached. I was expecting Tesla to go next week by this price, but they did it today. They did it in 2 days right here. So that's what exactly happened. The video I also made about Tesla video, folks, about, I always try to make video for Teslas and other stocks, so please keep eyes on it. Right here, this is the Tesla update video. I did it for about 1 month ago, that Tesla could go lower. You can watch this video too, this video, and you got to see this. So look, folks, how early I gave you a heads up about Tesla. And then this one, weekly Tesla update video, check this one out too. That also gives you heads up. And then market update video right here, I give a heads up right here, folks. Right, so check through, folks. Like, subscribe here on YouTube, and join the community. It's free of charge, folks. All the alerts you get, everything is free. All right, so see you guys tomorrow morning, 9:30, 4 p.m. On straight on YouTube. All right, see you tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.